Okay, welcome back to our channel, everybody. I am Shivanand. Today we are discussing about the yesterday's poem. Yesterday we have started the discussion on the poem "The Road Not Taken," the written by Robert Frost. Okay, yesterday we have studied about Robert Frost. Today we are studying about the poem line, right? Okay, before going to that, let's understand some points of this poem. Yes, this poem uh, was first published in the year of 1961, right? And it is the part of the collection, the Mountain Interval, right? So this poem has written by Robert Frost to his friend Thomas Edward, right? Then, now let's start the discussion on literary devices which are used in this poem. Okay, first one, see here, the road not taken. Before going to discuss the literary devices, let me read it once. I want you to repeat after me, right? The road not taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And one be be one traveler long I stood and looked down one as far as I could. I hope you all are repeating after me. To where it bent in the undergrowth, then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. And both that morning equally lie in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in our wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the differences. Okay. Yes, I hope you all have repeated after me. Okay, now let's start the discussion of literary devices which are used in this poem. Okay, first one is metaphor. You know that already. You know already what is metaphor. Metaphor is a device which we compare the two unlike things without using the words as are like. Okay, so here first one, you can see the first two words of the poem, two roads. This is a metaphor, two roads. These two roads in this poem, in particular poem, two roads are compared to the human life. Okay, then let's see here the next one. And sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler long I stood. See here two sentences are began with the same word and. See, this is the device. It explains. Let me say the name of the device, anaphora, right? Anaphora, what does it do? What does it shows? When the two lines are begin with the same word, that is anaphora. Okay, see here, and, right? Then wanted wear. Yes, here in the second stanza you can see here, because it was grassy and wanted wear, right? um, Wanted wear, wa, the same sound. So here when we find a same sound within a sentence, same consonant sounds, such, for such poetic devices we say alliteration. No, alliteration, there used a poetic device, alliteration. Then see the next, go to the personification. Personification is a device it gives a human attributes or a qualities to the non-living things. See here, because it was grassy and wanted wear. See, grass cannot, grass, do you think grass is a living thing? No, it's not. It's not a living thing. So here, wanted wear, right? It cannot want to wear. Okay, let's go to the next poetic device which used in this poem, that is repetition. Repetition means the repetition of the same words, right? That is here last stanza, you can say last stanza, second word, somewhere ages and ages, both the words are repeated. That the ages and the same word is repeated, right? So that is repetition. Okay, then already you have understood the rhyming words, right? Rhyming words, rhyme scheme is a b a b, right? Okay, then let's discuss another one is let's discuss poem lines tomorrow, right? Let's discuss poem lines tomorrow. Thank you for watching this.